Hi guys, this is Priyanka Keni here and welcome back to the Keni's kitchen. So आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पनीर चिली ड्राई by using this Ching's masala and I have added in some Indian spice tadka to it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we will start with the marination process. For that, I have taken in 500 grams of paneer, which is cut into even pieces. To it, I will add in some Indian spices. First, I'm adding in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Okay, just a little note. You can shallow fry the paneer along with masalas, or you can fry it plain, or you can just fry it by marinating just with salt and pepper. I personally like it with Indian touch, so I am adding in the masalas to the paneer before frying it. Now just mix it well and keep it aside for marination for about 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so in a non-stick kadai, take in around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and just shallow fry all the marinated paneer. Once our paneer has started to become this crisp golden brown, fry it on both sides and then just drain the oil and take it off on a plate. Okay, so till the time our paneer is getting shallow fried, if you like the video or if you like the recipe till now, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have tried out this recipe, please do mention in the comment section below. I would love to listen from you all, like how was the recipe with you guys. Also, if you have any suggestion regarding the recipe, please mention that too in the comment section below. Okay, so our paneer is almost done. So I am draining off all the oil and just removing it on a plate. Okay, so now I am adding in my second batch of marinated paneer for shallow frying. Fry it all well till it has that crisp golden color. So our fried paneer is already looking so yummy and tempting, isn't it? आप ऐसे भी try कर सकते हो just the fried paneer. But since we are making this paneer chili dry, let's move ahead with the process. So finally done with the shallow frying of paneer. Now let's start with our sauce preparation. Now in the same marination bowl, take in the paneer chili masala. To it, add in 1 cup of water and mix it well. Now for some added flavors, I am adding in some other sauces too. add in around half tablespoon of soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar and around 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and just stir it and mix it well. Also, if you haven't subscribed till now, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking on that little bell icon below, so that you will get notified whenever the new recipe video is out. Okay, now let's continue with the process. Okay, so to our sauce preparation, I am adding in 1 more cup of water and mixing it well. So our sauce preparation is all done. Let's start with the stir frying of all the veggies. To begin with, in the same paneer fried kadai, take some oil, heat up the oil and then add in some chopped ginger, garlic and chilies and just stir fry them. Once the ginger, garlic and chilies have been stir fried well, add in our diced onions. Saute them very well. Okay, so once the onions have been stir fried a bit, do not overcook them. At this stage, add in the diced capsicum and saute it well. So now I am adding in around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Do not add too much of salt because even the sauces has some amount of salt in it. Once the veggies have been sauteed well, now add in our prepared sauce mixture. Now let all the veggies blend with our sauce mixture very well. So now once the sauce mixture and the veggies have been cooked very well, now toss in the fried paneer with all the sauces. While tossing the fried paneer in all the sauces, see to it that you do not break the paneer pieces. Since our paneer is now well tossed up, so finally our Ching's paneer chili is all ready to be eaten. Just serve it hot in a bowl and just enjoy eating. So while you are enjoying this yummy tasty fried paneer chili, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please do keep coming back. Also do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching the video till the end.